So good morning everyone and Jevim to all of you. I hope you all are doing happy and healthy. I am Deepanjali. I belong to Tenturi Khunti of Balangir district. Now I am studying BA in History Honours from Devi Autonomous College, Chitlagar. So today I feel truly privileged to speak about Sarala Das and democratization of the Odia literature. So Sarala Das, widely known as the father of Odia literature, was not only a remarkable poet but also a transformative figure who received the Odia literature culture of Odisha. Although he lacked from formal education in Sanskrit, he possessed exceptional creativity, deep insight, and a strong connection with the lives of ordinary people. At a time when literature was largely confined to Sanskrit and therefore accessible to only educated and elite section of society, Sarala Das made a bold and meaningful choice. He composed his work in simple, expressive, and relatable Odia language. As a result, he opened the door of literature to common people. Consequently, literature was no longer limited to privileged few, but became a shared cultural experience. Moreover, his literary contributions are not only historically significant but also culturally rich and emotionally engaging. His major works include Odia Mahabharata, Chandi Puran, and Bilanka Ramayana. Among these, the Odia Mahabharata stands out as a unique and imaginative creation because he did not merely translate the original Sanskrit text. Rather, he enriched it with local narrative, regional elements, and creative interpretation which made it more meaningful and accessible. Furthermore, his writings reflect deep sense of humanism, moral values, and social awareness. He emphasized equality, justice, and compassion. And at the same time, he challenged rigid social barriers and structures. Therefore, his works not only inform and entertain the people, but also inspire them to think and reflect. In addition, his contribution played a vital role in shaping the identity and development of Odia language. Because of his inclusive vision and innovative approach, literature became a powerful medium that connects people across different sections of society. So in conclusion, I would like to say that Sarala Das was not just only a great poet but also a voice of people whose work made literature simple, meaningful, and accessible to all. So his legacy continues to inspire generation and remain a symbol of cultural pride and equality. So this was all about the Sarala Das and democratization of the Odia literature. So thank you everyone for listening me.